Today, I'm actually traveling, no big surprise. We're traveling to go do a boat. Hope y'all enjoy. Come on and ride with me. Today is kind of cloudy. All right, so just made it out here to take care of this boat. And needless to say, it's rough, but we're gonna bring it back. And gotta say it like this, it's pretty gross. So, but I'm gonna take you up top first and then I'll give you a walk around. So, as I'm climbing up here, this I have no idea. This is the inside of the boat. They actually had some kind of eggs or duck eggs. That's what the owner said. They were laid right over here. Threw those out. Tried to get rid of as many as I could. Still smells very, very bad. Smells horrible. Not a very big boat, but big enough. And as you can see, looks rough. But what he's gonna do, he's gonna wind up selling this thing. And he's gonna wind up selling it. So we're gonna see how it transforms. Gotta get out a bunch of stuff. As far as I gotta drag out all the equipment and stuff to be able to do this. So be sure to like and subscribe. So just got done with the inside of the boat. Now about to move to the outside. And as you can see here, by looking, it's got oxidation. Going to take care of that. As you can see, it is clean. Not gonna get inside of it, because I don't want to mess it up. Worked way too hard for that. You can see where the sun's at right now. Started off this morning, now it's in the afternoon. So yeah, got a lot of work accomplished so far. So anyway, okay, so just wrapped up with the boat and now about to give you a walk around. I've been working on it all day. You can see the sun going down behind me.